Are you struggling to initialize Log4j by combining a configuration file with programmatic configuration? You're not alone. This is a common challenge many developers face. Today, we're going to break it down step by step. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you follow the manual, only to find outdated syntax and confusing errors. It can feel like you're chasing your tail. But don't worry, we're here to tackle this together. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked how to initialize Log4j by combining a configuration file with programmatic configuration. They provided their custom classes but encountered an error message about configuration not being found. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this. So what could be causing this issue? The problem often lies in how the custom configuration factory interacts with the default factory. If the custom factory isn't set up correctly, it can lead to the error message you're seeing. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you a lot of headaches when working with Log4j. To address the issue, the user should first ensure that the custom configuration factory is correctly registered. This involves calling the method to set the configuration factory before any logging calls are made. Next, the user should override the necessary methods in the custom configuration factory class. This will help provide a valid configuration when the logging system requests it. After that, the user should implement a fallback mechanism in the overridden method. This will allow the factory to return a default configuration if the custom one is not found. Finally, the user should test the logging setup again. This will confirm whether the changes made to the configuration factory resolve the initial error. Fun fact, did you know that the first logging systems were as simple as writing to a text file? We've come a long way, but sometimes the basics can still trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the issue may be related to the order specified in your custom configuration factory. The user believes that higher order numbers are preferred. Since the default XML configuration factory has an order of 5, changing your order to 6 might resolve the problem. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your configuration in a controlled environment before deploying it in production. This can save you from unexpected errors down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to initialize Log4j successfully. Remember, testing is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.